If you're a beginner and you're yet to know the parts of an industrial sewing machine, then this video is for you. The on and off switches, spool pins. These are the thread guides that help keep the thread in place. Presser foot lifter. The stitch regulator and tightener for tightening the stitches. Bobbin winder for reeling the thread. The next is the balance wheel. The needle, the sharp edge underneath, is called the feed dog. The flat surface on which the feed dog rests is called the machine plate. This is where the bobbin is being inserted. Pressure foot lifter, the pedal. Thanks for engaging.